Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing the beautiful Kiko swatches of the latest edition that they have from Ocean Feel. And I'm obsessed because my passion for Kiko has always been their lipsticks and eyeshadows and so many other products. But these are a few that I mentioned. Something in their lipsticks that I really like, the textures, and the way it stays on. It's long lasting, it's moisturizing. Even their matte lipsticks, they are absolutely amazing. They're non-drying, and that's why I really love their lipsticks. This is why I decided to do a little swatches for you guys, for you to see for yourself how beautiful and stunning these are, especially these new edition ones. So they came up with, I think, 3 shades of the sparkly lipsticks, and I think about 8 or 10 shades of like sort of a matte creamy, very nice colors like nude colors, browns, and a little bit of reds, like a reddish browns. So it was really exciting for me, so I decided to pick up 2 of each. The 1 and 2 is going to be the sparkly ones, and the 7 and 8 is the ones that I picked up from the sort of matte collection. Guys, like, check this packaging, like, it's so cool. It's magnetic and I absolutely love it. Look at the rich feel, like it's got this rich feel to it, and I'm in love. Like, it is stunning. You guys, just how beautiful is this? Look at that. Look at this beauty. It's like a reddish brown, and I am in love. Yeah, that's right. It's so beautiful, and the shape and everything is just amazing. Can't wait to try this one. This is the 7. So what I'll do, usually I apply a little bit of a lip liner because I like my lips to appear a little bit fuller, so it will look a little bit better when I apply this lipstick on. And you know, I mean, for people that have small lips and don't have injected lips, I guess that's what they need to do. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm going to be using my Rimmel's Spice 011 long lasting finish lip liner. I'm just gonna line my lips with it, just to give me a little bit of that definition before I apply this lipstick, so it makes my lips appear a little bit fuller. You should definitely check these Rimmel pencils out because they're really good. Whether it's the eyebrow ones or the lip ones, I just love it. And now I'm going to be applying the Ocean Feel lipstick called Rosetto in 707. Guys, it glides on beautifully like a glove. It's so beautiful and I just love it. As you can see, it's a beautiful sort of a reddish brown, and it just looks extremely hot. It looks so beautiful. I'm just like, oh my god. I'm sorry guys, I'm just looking behind my camera a little bit just to see what it looks like on the mirror. I'll just do a little swatch for you guys on my hand so you can really see it, what it looks like. So this is the way it looks like on my hand. This is so hot for a date night or for like going out somewhere, partying. Like, it's the perfect shade whether it's summer or not, you know. It's like one of those really nice reddish brownish colors, so it's not like intense and it's not too light. It's just perfect. So beautiful. So we're gonna move on and we do the same thing. So I'll be using the same lip liner. The Ocean 7 that I've just tried is called Rosetto, and the difference is the slight numbers in between them. So they have like there's one that's beginning 2019 and then the other one is beginning 10 1019, which is the one I'm about to apply, but it looks like this. And basically, yeah, this one is the 7, which I've just tried, and this is the 8 that I'm gonna try now. So the 8 looks like this, and look how stunning that is. Brownie looking color, but slightly like more brown now this time, and it's got that beautiful design to it. So it's more, you know, vibey for the natural girls out there that likes a little bit more of a settled look rather than the more sexy out there look. So that's why I chose this color, because I was like, I need to add this to myself and to my kit. Oh my god, guys, I'm in love. Like, it's a good thing that I got both because I'm obsessed. Look how beautifully stunning brown this is. This is like brown with like an orangey, but still dark enough to make it look, you know, kind of subtle. Like, it could go with this look, you know, it could go with sort of glam look or natural. Just look at it. It's luxurious, luxurious. I love this lipstick. It's stunning, guys. Like, what is this? Like, amazing. I'm just gonna do the swatch for you on my arm. My hand, forearm, whatever. And this is it. So this is the first color that I've tried. This one up here, and this is the second color. So you can see the difference between them. This is a bit more reddish brown. This is more sort of an orangey brown, but it looks more brown. So it's like a light brown shade. Look at it. Alright, moving on. Let's see the next one. Okay, so this one is absolutely stunning. They came in 3 shades. The reason why I got only 2 is because the first one was a red one with sparkles, and I've had something similar to that already, so I didn't want to get another red. I will probably get that anyways, but I got the 2 shades, which was the 1 and 2. This is the 1, also Rosetto 1019 sparkle lipstick, and just watch the effect. Like, ta-da! Like, guys, look at this stunning lipstick. Like, it's a beauty. It's a beauty. Ta-da! What do you think of this? Like, honestly, what the heck do you think of this? Such a beautiful lipstick. I've never seen such a sparkly, beautiful lipstick, and I'm obsessed with sparkly things. So this is right up my street. Like, I love it. I love it, and I can't wait to try. This is like an orangey shade, so let's see what effects does it do. Guys, this might be my favorite. It's like, it takes my breath away. I could not stop applying this lipstick. And it's got so much sparkle in it. You don't really need anything else. No lip gloss, no nothing to do this, because it's so moisturizing and it's so sparkly. It gives you that extra shine, so you don't even need any top up. Such beauty, I'm dying! This summer is gonna be super cool. I love it for me, and I will love it for my clients to put in my kit. This is a definite. Let me just swatch it for you guys so you can see what it looks like. So this is the way it looks like on my hands, and it's so stunning. Let's go into the final one. Alright guys, are you ready for the last one? Oh my god, I don't want it to be the last. This is the number 2 Ocean Feel Sparkle Lipstick in Rosetto 1019 at the end. And just look at that. Look at this beauty. What a sparkle. Amazing shine. Just mesmerized. I just love it. So I can't wait to apply it. We're using a different liner, 523 by Kiko Smart Fusion Lip Pencil. So cute. Love it. Like, this was one of my favorites when I saw it, and when I swatched it on my hand, I was like, oh my god, what a beautiful shade. So I'm just gonna swatch it real quickly for you guys. Like, it's so beautiful. Like, you can see it on my lips. It's just stunning. It's just amazing shade. Just, oh. And the sparkles on this, it's unreal. It's unreal. These lipsticks are absolutely amazing, guys. It is so beautiful. It's just about the texture, the feel of it. You don't need toppers, you don't need lip glosses, nothing whatsoever, because this looks beautiful on its own. If you got slightly smaller lips, just add a similar lip liner and you be good to go. Like, you will have the beautiful luscious lips that you always dreamed of. Like, yes, they did such a good job. I am impressed. I love it, and I'm never disappointed when it comes to lipsticks in general, especially lipsticks in Kiko, because they are really good. So yeah, I'm really happy. I got all these shades and I cannot wait to use it on me in the summer months and also on my clients. There's so many choices that you can choose from, and it's fantastic. Like, look at it. Like, look at the beauty. Just one last time, check it all out. Anyways, enough about the blubber. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please give it a thumbs up and a subscribe. And of course, love you guys, and thank you so much for watching. And please do follow me on my social medias, which I will put a link somewhere around here, and you can follow me on there.